Good day and welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're going to be checking out the December edition glove box. Alright, so I have the December glove box here. We're going to do an unboxing, we're going to see what products are in here, and we're also going to put these products to the test, using them on a few things with whatever they're going to be. So we're going to hop in and see what's in here. Before we get into seeing what's in here, remember to use code MeanBee to get 20% off your first glove box. These things are absolutely awesome. You're not going to be disappointed with them. They're packed with a ton of value for your money. And as I've mentioned in previous videos, if you've seen them, these are like a mystery box on steroids. So definitely head over, check out GloveBox. I will link everything in the video description down below, so it'll be easy for you to get to. But use code MeanBee to save 20% off of your first glove box. And also, if you are enjoying this content, please remember to smash that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Ring the bell, turn on all post notifications so you don't miss a future upload. And also throw a comment down below of what you thought of this video and the stuff included in the glove box, and if this is something that you've tried or something that you're going to be trying. Alright, so the December edition glove box. Let's crack into this thing. Let's see what we've got in here. I always love receiving my glove box and seeing what's in them, because as I mentioned, they're packed with so much awesome stuff. The packaging is also very, very nice. So right away in here we have a glove box sticker. Right here, the December Deluxe box. This is going to give you a step-by-step guide of the products that are in here and how to use these products. On the back of this card, it is going to show you the total retail value of this box, which right here, the retail value of this glove box is $75. And this is the list of products that is in there and the percentage off that you can use with codes for these products. We also have, I would say, yep, this is a little flyer for Extra Tough. So I'm going to go out on a limb here and say that there's some Extra Tough all-purpose cleaner and degreaser in this glove box. But right here it says everything that the Extra Tough can do. And then we have so that is really cool, a little Christmas glove box ornament. So that's a really cool touch for the December box, getting us in that Christmas spirit. So we're going to get into the products here in the box, and the first product I'm going to pull out is this GloveBox Waffle Weave glass towel. This little glass towel is $2. So I'm reading this off of the info card. The next product we're going to get into is right here. I got to get this one out. This is one of my favorites right here. So I do have some of these already. If you have not used these IK trigger sprayers, these trigger sprayers are phenomenal. So that is awesome seeing one of these in the box, because I absolutely love these things. We're going to be using it today. But this is the IK Multi TR1 sprayer. This bottle right here by itself goes for $15.99. So huge value. These bottles, as I mentioned, I can't say it enough, but they are extremely quality, absolutely awesome. They come with a label that you can write what is in the bottles. The next product we'll check out in here is right here. This is an Adams Polishes rubberized wheel brush. Really nice. Got the logo, got a little thumb cut out, got some nice rubber molded edges. Feels really good in the hand. Some nice soft bristles. So this is the new wheel brush that Adams Polishes has. This wheel brush, if you were to buy it, is going to run you $19.99. So the next product we'll check out, we have a trigger sprayer in here. I'm not for sure which bottle this is going to go to, but as I mentioned, look at this packaging. Absolutely awesome. It is a very quality box from GloveBox. I just love them. I can't say it enough. But here's the next product, and as I said, I was going to go out on a limb because of that brochure card. We do have some Extra Tough all-purpose cleaner and degreaser. So this Extra Tough right here was going to run you $14.99 for the 16 fluid ounce bottle. So we will be using this and the wheel brush and the IK sprayer. We'll be using this in the IK sprayer. The last but not least product in here for the December Deluxe glove box, we have some Vosh Premium Glass Cleaner. This Vosh Premium Glass Cleaner, if you were to buy this bottle, is going to run you $13.99. So very cool. Love the labeling. I have never used any Vosh products, so I will get to use this on video to see how it works. And this is what the sprayer that is included in the box is going to be for. So that is what we've got in the box. Very cool. We will do an overview of these products. So right here is the product lineup in the December Deluxe glove box, as you can see. And as I mentioned, this is a $75 value in this box. You just cannot beat it. Plus, if you're thinking about getting a box and you use the code, you're going to save 20% on your first box, which means the value of this box is going to be even that much better. So, two products that I have not used, the Extra Tough which is a all-purpose cleaner and degreaser. We're going to be putting that in the IK sprayer. And then we have an Adams wheel brush in this box. So I feel using that with the wheel brush, yep, we're going to get into seeing how it works on some wheels. And then we're also going to see how it works on the tires, cleaning it up. Extra Tough is going to be a safe cleaner. Cleans just about everything. It's not abrasive, readily biodegradable. It's concentrated, dilutable, versatile, manufactured in the US. So you can use this product in your home, on your car, on the exterior, on the interior. You're going to be able to use this product literally wherever you're going to want to use it. So very cool that it is a US based company. Very cool it's biodegradable and very versatile on what you can use it on. You can just use it just about on everything, as they mention. And as I said, if you have not used one of these IK sprayers, this thing in the hands feels awesome. The spray pattern you get out of it atomizes extremely well. It has a nice wide bottom, so it's not going to tip over on you. Plus the overall look of the IK sprayer is just a really nice quality look to it. I just love the way these things look. They look very sleek. They did a great job with the styling on them. And then we have the Adams Polishes wheel brush. So it fits and feels very nice in the hand. Nice soft bristles, so you're not going to damage the surface of your wheels cleaning them with this brush, whether they're painted, coated, or have powder coat on them. So it's just an all-around great brush that fits really good in the hands. This brush is absolutely awesome, and I do love this brush a lot. Using it with the Extra Tough is just a match made in heaven personally. So, and as I mentioned, this was just kind of a fitting video to use the Extra Tough and the wheel brush on some wheels so we can see how well this stuff works. The Bosch Premium Glass Cleaner, that is going to be your glass cleaner. So if you want to use that in your house or on your vehicle, that is totally fine. You can use that wherever you want to use a glass cleaner. It doesn't have to just be on your car. This glass cleaner is an ammonia-free glass cleaner, so it's going to be safe using it on windows that have tint on them or windows that do not. We will see how well it works, how well it cleans. I don't have any glass that's just super nasty dirty, but I do have some glass. We'll put some finger smudges and, random stuff like that on it, and we'll see how well it cuts through. We will also be using the GloveBox Waffle weave towel, using this glass cleaner, seeing how well it works. One thing I will mention is this little microfiber waffle weave towel from GloveBox is a really sweet little microfiber. As you can see, this stuff flashes so fast. It's easy to work with, cleans very well. Sorry, got sidetracked on how well it flashes, but it does not leave any streaking. But this little waffle weave microfiber from the GloveBox is super awesome too. It is the perfect size. It doesn't try to fold up under your hand when you're using it. So both of these products, the little waffle weave microfiber from GloveBox and the Bosch Premium Glass Cleaner, both great products as well. Of course, the Christmas ornament is going to be going on the Christmas tree. I absolutely love that. Very cool. Nice little touch in the December box. All right, so there you go. There is the products that's in the December GloveBox and being used. I'm just going to hit on a few of them real quick. So for the Extra Tough Cleaner and Degreaser, very impressed with this product. It worked really well. Yes, I know I only used it on the wheels and tires, but it broke down the tire dressing that was on the tire, got rid of it, cleaned the wheels extremely well. So you saw the Extra Tough, very impressed with this product. Pairing up the Extra Tough in the IK sprayer, as you know, and as I mentioned, these sprayers are absolutely awesome. It's got this big base, they don't fall over. The sprayer atomizes really nice. Bottle overall appearance, construction, everything. Quality is there and above. Awesome bottle. Seeing this in the GloveBox made me super excited. And then moving on, using this Adams wheel brush that was included in the GloveBox. Absolutely love this brush. I do not have this one. A couple things that I like about this brush a lot is, as you can tell, it is narrower than a lot of wheel brushes, or a lot of wheel brushes that I have. Actually, all wheel brushes that I have. So with it being narrower, it fits in between the spokes a lot easier. Another thing I love is this rubber molding around. Not only does it offer awesome grip and feel really nice in the hand, when you get in between the spokes, since it has like this rubber, what I'm going to call a bumper on it, when you get in between the spokes, when you kind of hit on it, it's like a cushion. It's not just the hard plastic smacking against your spokes. So if you got painted wheels or wheels that you were trying to take care of, which that's why we detail, we're taking care of stuff, we want to look as best as possible, you have this nice rubber cushion around there so your brush is not just beating against your wheel spokes. So overall, this Adams wheel brush that was included in there, really nice, absolutely love it. And I'm super excited to add this brush to my brush collection. I might have a brush obsession. I have quite a few brushes, but this one is a huge win as well. So the last two products that are in this box, this Waffle premium glass cleaner, this stuff worked really well. Flashes fast, removes finger smudges, fingerprints on the glass, does not streak, works very, very easy. Paired up with the GloveBox Waffle Weave microfiber, this little guy works awesome. Love it. The size of it, not too big, not cumbersome. Also, the pile of it is not too thick, so it doesn't roll into your hand. These two products paired up together, huge win for cleaning glass. And then with the Christmas ornament on the tree, very cool, love it, it looks really good. So overall, the December GloveBox, huge win, $75 value, amazing products inside the box, from chemicals to tools, and as I mentioned, the GloveBox is a really, really awesome thing. It's a monthly subscription that you can subscribe to. Using code MeanBee, you're going to save 20%, as I mentioned, off of your first box. You're not going to want to miss it. I highly recommend trying out GloveBox, trying it out, because the products you get are very high quality. They always work good. The chemicals that they include in there and the tools they include are top notch as well. GloveBox does not cheap out by putting cheap chemicals or tools in there. They always have very premium chemicals and tools. So personally, if you're looking for some detailing products, you don't really know what to get, you like mystery boxes, you want new stuff, try out GloveBox. You're not going to be disappointed. You're absolutely going to love it. But that concludes the December Deluxe GloveBox. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to smash that thumbs up. Drop a comment down below what you thought. Also, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click the bell, turn on all post notifications so you do not miss a future upload if you're enjoying this content. And I appreciate all your guys' support, taking your time out of your day to stop and check out this video. It means the world to me, and thank you so much. You guys are the ones that make this channel awesome. It's not me, it is you guys, and thank you for that. But I will catch you all in the next one, and until then, take care.